Okay, so today we are going to be making Mama's cookies, which is my great-grandmother's cookies. Her name was Mona. We're going to make some cookies that she used to make all the time on Anzac Day because it's Anzac weekend here at Mile Lake. So, what have we got? 1 cup of each flour, sugar, self-raising, whoopsie. Oh well. Sugar, oatmeal, coconut, and cornflakes. Here we go. Okay, so I'll get my bowl. Flour. 1 cup. Flour. In. Then 1 cup of sugar. Sugar. Do I have enough? Oh. I might have to get some more of that. That doesn't seem like enough. Hey Dave, can you get me the other pack of sugar? What's next? 1 cup of flour, sugar, oatmeal. Thank you, husband. How much more sugar should I put in? Was it about that much? Oh, very sweet cookies. All right, let's put that in there. That's a later problem. Here comes the coconut. Anyway, as I was saying, my dad used to make these a lot with us when we were younger. And they were always the best. They were always so like gooey and delicious. But I have never been able to replicate them. I made them once at home and I forgot the butter.
Butter.
Anyway, that's just gonna go in there too. And the cornflakes. Let's do that. Stale cornflakes coming up. Gotta love it. My kids don't really eat these. But, anywho, just watching for how many people are watching me. No one, because no one cares. Oh, butter. Hey, apprentice chef, can I borrow you for a sec? Can you camp warm this up? Because why would we have a microwave while camping? I think that's the next ingredient. I should actually go back to the recipe. Maybe that's why everything always fails for me. I don't ever go back to the recipe. Anyway. Flour, yes. Sugar, yes. Oatmeal, coconut, cornflakes. Teaspoon of salt. Butter. Ooh. Some golden syrup. We're going to pretend this is golden syrup. Everyone, this is golden syrup. Oh, sheesh. I didn't read the recipe at all. I have to cook these. Bring them to a boil. I don't think I'm going to do that. So I guess put everything in the bowl. Mix it around with a spoon. Everyone, this is honey. This is maple, golden syrup. Everyone can see golden syrup, right? Yeah, microwave this, please. Thank you, apprentice. Thank you so much. I'm gonna just pour it all in there and hope for the best, hey? Well, if it's too complicated, I won't be able to do it when we're camping, can I? So we're gonna trial 2 separate baking styles. One is gonna be the Ziggy or the Weber. And then, Dave, what's the oven called? The travel oven that's a kick-ass brand. Tray trash. Okay, back with trays. They're still dry. I think I've forgotten something again. Dave, can you just check there wasn't any other wet ingredients that I've forgotten?
Salt.
Yeah.
Butter.
Yeah.
Golden syrup.
Yeah.
Water.
Water.
Water times 2 tablespoons.
I forgot the water. Does it taste good?
Of sweet, sweet lavender.
Thanks. 1, 2.
They literally had to put And then you got butter in the cup.
I'm gonna ruin this. Do, 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 do. All right, okay. That's looking a bit more like a mix. Here we go. So I'm gonna squeeze these, oh, there we go, cookies into the mix. It's so sticky. Be bothered to do. Oh, almost lost it. What if I was just to put that in, and we'll just make a little slice. It's not a how-to. This is a how not to. Let's see if we can make another 6. 2. They're getting stickier by the moment, but that's okay. 4. All that water was sitting at the bottom. Oopsie. And then that's 5. Let's put that in there. Hey Dave, sorry. I have very sticky hands and I need to turn it off so that I can put things in the oven. So I'd done a little bit of baking in the past while camping, but never experienced any good results. For some reason, I thought this would be different. So I put the slice in the ziggy on the hot plate, thinking it would avoid burning the bottom because it wasn't directly on the flames.
Wait, what?
I also tried to put some cookies in the 12-volt oven, but I couldn't get it to reach 180 degrees. It just wasn't getting hot enough to bake, and I don't know why. Still trying to figure that out. Anyway, I thought all hope was lost. I burnt my slice, the cookies weren't cooking, and I didn't know what to do. When we finally got some reception, so I googled how to bake in a Weber, and they have these cool little accessories that create a gap between the hot plate and what's cooking. So I found something similar-ish and gave it a go, and it worked. They weren't completely disgusting. Thank you for coming along on this chaotic little ADHD moment. If you guys have any ideas of what I can cook next time we go camping, that would be awesome. See you next time. Bye.
You're doing that there.
Cringe. Anyway.